on, guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And yeah, today we are playing some Bloxburg. So I told you I was gonna play this last video. So today I'm not really gonna be playing it. I'm just gonna give you a tour of my house I have in this game. So that's gonna be really fun. So it's a lot to show. This video will probably be a good 10 minutes long because my house is quite big. But I do not have a lot of money because I spent it all on my house, but I think it's definitely worth it. But no. Alright. This usually takes forever to load, so sorry about that, guys. Just wait here until do 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 do. So guys, if you want, you can send a friend request to me in this game and I will accept it. Yeah, I do not have the max friends in this game, so you can totally do that. It's fine with me. And yeah, so I'm waiting for this game to load. It takes like 5 million years, but it will be done soon, I promise. There you go. Right as I said that. So, guys, this is my house. It's quite huge. If you see that in the right over here, look, see that little building over there? I'm gonna show you that later. I even have some buildings behind my house. So, first I want to show you, you walk in, got a beautiful kitchen. And sorry I don't have the lights on, I didn't pay my bills. But this is my office. We got a bathroom over here. And over here we got a nice little barbecue island. We have some pools. We have some soccer nets and like a barbecue pit or like a fire pit. Then we have this little gazebo over here. And then you come over here. See, look, there's this building over here. This is like a duplex kind of thing. But I think it's really cool. But you come over here, then you got like a master bedroom. Even through this door, you have this bathroom. So that's really nice. You even got a closet over there. And then even you come over here, you have a garage, which you don't have to enter the garage only through this spot. You can actually enter the garage because this door right next to this is meant for this. So you can kind of just enter the garage through there. But then if you come over here, you got the bathroom, got bedroom, got another bedroom. And this house has how many bedrooms? Well, I'm not going to count the office as a bedroom, which it probably could be. I mean, but I'm not going to count it as a bedroom. So this house has 1, 2, 3. So right now it's 7 bedrooms, but if the office was a bedroom, it would have 8 bedrooms. Now let me think about how many bathrooms I have. I have about 5 bathrooms. So then look, this is my other garage where my Jeep is. And then, under the stairs we got a door to the pantry. So I like the pantry right there because the kitchen is right here. And you got that up there. And then over here you got the gym. And then over here you got a waste of space with nothing in it. You got a loft over here. Got a nice door to the balcony. Even you got one over there if you can see it. It's right around there. I have shutters over here, so that's nice. And then right here I have a bedroom. And then I have a washer and dryer room. Now they don't actually make washer and dryers, so I just tried to make the best one I could. Over here we got a bathroom. This is the bedroom I sleep in. This is my master bedroom. There's 2 master bedrooms in this house. So I got this, and this is the other door to the balcony. And then right here we got my bathroom. And then this has its own balcony right here, which is really nice. And then right here we have the bedroom. No, I do not want to go to your party, sorry. Alright, so I have my master bedroom, and it actually has another balcony. This bedroom right here has 3 balconies. Oh, and then you come over here. So then, well, you got the closet, quite a big closet. And then, come over here. You got, I know, I'm gonna paint my house. It's really plain, I know. Got a nice bedroom over here. And you have a bathroom right here. And then you have another bedroom right here with the deck to the patio. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna jump off here, because why waste time just hopping over, why waste time going way through the front door and all that. So, what you could do is you can come over here. Let me just close the garage, because why do I want this open? I don't know. I have a bunch of parking on the side, but over here, so this is the biggest one there is. So you come over here, you walk in, then you have some couches, like a dining room, and then you have the kitchen. Then you even have the backyard with a pool. And then come over here. You have the bathroom. This one I decorated. I put the most effort into this one. And then we have a bedroom over here. And then we have a garage. So the next one I'm gonna look at is the second biggest. And then, oh wait, I'm going through the wrong way. Whoopsies. Alright. So this is the second biggest. So you walk in, you got the couch and everything. And you got the dining room, got the kitchen. And then over here, we have the backyard. And right behind this chair, we have a bedroom. Over here, we have a bathroom. Over here, we got a garage. So then over here, we have the community gym. So you walk in here, well, you have the front desk too. And you come over, you have the community gym. So there's a bunch of things you can do in the community gym. So I really like that. Then you come over here. This is the third biggest there is. And then the last one way down there is the smallest. So come in here, come down here. Honestly, I do like the layout of this. I think it's really nice. Come in here, you got all of this. So then you got the living room, and then there's just like chairs right there. And you got the bedroom. And then I don't even know why this window's still here, but I'll just leave it, because why not? And then come over here. Got the bathroom. And then you got the backyard. to the nice pool. And then we got the smallest one. Is the next one. Oh, and this is the garage too. I mean, these places have nice garages, so I mean, people can park their car in there. So and then this one right here is the smallest one. So here it is. So you walk in, then you got this, then you got the living room, got the bathroom, you got the bedroom. Honestly, I feel like these two are almost identical, but I know they're not. But I feel like they're quite close. So then we have the backyard. So then over here. So those are my condos in the backyard, but I have one more building to show you, and this right here is my cafe. So I like this cafe. I think it's nice. I literally just built it. So you walk in and you got the TV and you got all these fans and you got the seating. And you come over here and this is how to get into the kitchen. And you got to the front register. And then way back here we have the men's bathroom. And we have the women's bathroom. So I mean, really, this is the whole place. But I am thinking of getting a different little section. No, I do not want to go to work. I'm sorry. But yeah, I think that's gonna end the video. I do have a big house. Let's see how much my house is worth. I can't afford my bills. My house is worth about $350, so $350,000. It's quite nice. Even though I'm stinky. If you guys did enjoy that video, please drop a like and subscribe. That'll be greatly appreciated. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.